There are homes that impress, and then there are homes that make you pause, breathe, and feel. Today, we step inside a Scandinavian winter residence where Nordic minimalism meets quiet luxury. Wrapped in snow and softened by warm light, this home is not defined by excess, but by intention, where every line, texture, and glow is designed to create comfort, elegance, and timeless beauty. This is not just a house tour, it is a lesson in refined living. The front facade immediately establishes the home's identity, modern Scandinavian architecture rooted in simplicity and balance. Natural oak cladding contrasts against crisp white plaster, while black-framed windows introduce a bold, graphic rhythm. Snow gently softens the geometry, allowing warm interior light to glow outward, transforming the house into a beacon against the winter dusk. Minimal Christmas accents, pine wreaths and subtle lighting, enhance the design without overpowering it. This is a front view that feels welcoming, composed, and quietly confident. Stepping inside, the living room unfolds as the emotional heart of the home. A double-height ceiling amplifies light and space, while natural wood floors ground the interior with warmth. Floor-to-ceiling windows frame the winter landscape like living artwork, blurring the boundary between indoors and out. The Christmas tree stands understated yet elegant, surrounded by soft linens, wool textures, and a stone fireplace that anchors the room. This space is designed not to impress guests, but to comfort them. The master bedroom is a retreat defined by restraint. Neutral tones dominate, layered whites, muted grays, and natural oak, creating a calm, restorative atmosphere. Large windows invite pale winter light while maintaining privacy through thoughtful framing. Soft textiles, subtle Christmas greenery, and warm bedside lighting enhance the sense of serenity. There is no visual noise here, only balance and breathability. This bedroom does not demand attention, it earns it through quiet sophistication. The kitchen embodies Scandinavian functionality refined into luxury. Matte white cabinetry reflects light effortlessly, while a solid oak island introduces warmth and tactility. Black stone countertops and fixtures add contrast and precision. Subtle Christmas decor, pine branches, ceramics, and candlelight, integrate seamlessly into the clean design. This is a space built for daily living, where aesthetics never compromise usability. Every surface, line, and light source is carefully curated to feel both modern and timeless. Above the living room, the mezzanine offers perspective, both spatial and emotional. Overlooking the home's core, this elevated space feels intimate yet connected. A reading nook with soft lighting and textured fabrics invites quiet moments, while the open railing preserves visual flow. Christmas details remain subtle, reinforcing continuity rather than decoration. The mezzanine is not an afterthought, it is a pause, a place to reflect, observe, and slow down. The bathroom transforms everyday routines into rituals. Light stone surfaces, a freestanding tub, and natural wood accents evoke a Nordic spa experience. Frosted windows filter winter light, maintaining privacy while connecting to nature. Candlelight and indirect illumination soften the room, creating contrast between warmth and winter coolness. Minimal holiday greenery enhances the organic aesthetic. This is a bathroom designed not just for use, but for restoration. The front yard continues the home's understated elegance. Snow-covered pathways, minimalist landscaping, and warm exterior lighting guide visitors gently toward the entrance. Lanterns and natural greenery introduce festive warmth without visual excess. The house glows softly against the winter night, reinforcing a sense of arrival and belonging. This outdoor space does not compete with the architecture, it frames it. The rooftop terrace redefines winter living. Wooden decking, wool-covered seating, and a central fire feature create a refuge above the snow. From here, the surrounding forest and Nordic sky unfold in silence, punctuated only by warm lantern light. Christmas accents remain restrained, allowing the environment to take center stage. This rooftop is not seasonal, it is experiential, proving that outdoor luxury does not end with summer. The home office balances focus and comfort with precision. A minimalist oak desk, clean white walls, and black accents establish clarity, while a large window offers winter views that calm rather than distract. Soft lighting and subtle holiday touches humanize the workspace. This is a room designed for productivity without pressure, a reminder that good design supports how we think, not just how we work. Micro Hook, a workspace that respects your rhythm. The backyard becomes a winter sanctuary. Snow blankets the deck, while warm string lights and lanterns create an inviting glow. Outdoor seating layered with wool and natural textures encourages moments of pause, even in cold weather. Through expansive windows, the interior warmth radiates outward, reinforcing the home's seamless indoor-outdoor dialogue. This is not a backyard meant to impress, it is meant to be lived in. This Scandinavian winter home is more than a design, it is a philosophy. A commitment to warmth over excess, clarity over complexity, and intention over trends. Every space tells the same story: luxury is not about more, but about better. In a season defined by cold, this home reminds us that true elegance always feels warm.